Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite photographer Divan Usosokwa. So on this video right here, I'm going to show you guys how to turn this image to a pencil sketch effect. So if this is your first time of watching my video, please subscribe to my channel for more tutorial videos coming up. So without wasting much time, let's just get started. So I'm actually on the background layer right here. And what I'm going to do on this background layer, I don't need to duplicate the background layer for now, so I'm just going to turn this background layer into a black and white, which I'll head to my image. I'll locate where I have my adjustment, then I click on black and white. So after clicking on the black and white, this is actually what is going to show next. Sorry, but you don't need to change any settings of this, so I'll just head to OK. So after clicking the OK, I'll now duplicate the background layer. So you need to pay very close attention to it. So like after applying black and white, which you are going to duplicate this background layer next. So I'll just drag it down here. Then I'm going to duplicate it. After duplicating the background layer, I need to invert, which I'll get to my image. And I'll go right to my adjustment and I'll invert it. So after inverting this, what next you're going to do is to change the blending mode, which I'll change it to the color dodge. So after changing the blending mode to that, this is actually what is going to show. And I'll head back to, and it's actually still on this duplicated layer. So I'll just head back to my filter, then add Gaussian blur to it. So after adding Gaussian blur, it's actually going to show the effect. So you need to adjust this to how you want the effect to be added on. So mine, I think this is fine, so I'll just hit OK. So this is the simplest mode on how you can get a pencil sketch effect from your normal image. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos coming up. But for now, bye, see you in the next video.